And they're off. Toward the inside, Causeway Cowboy begins the best from the far outside. Dude About Town coming on. Some real bad bumping in the center there. It involved Bright Face and Edge of Midnight, who went sideways as they run out of the 1 mile and 16th chute. With the lead, Milton T now emerges on top from Dude About Town, who races in second, with Bright Face in third. Causeway Cowboy is fourth, followed by Edge of Midnight, who settles down fifth. A length and bunt in front of Furious Shot. Then it's a stretch of 3 to Thunder and Really, and trailing is Rockitude as they head into that first turn after the initial quarter went in 23 seconds flat. With the lead, Milton T a half a length. Dude About Town second, Bright Face third. Causeway Cowboy is well spotted fourth within 2.5 of the lead. Then it's another 2.5 lengths back to Edge of Midnight. Fifth with 4 lengths to raise. 2.5 in front of Rockitude, who improves around to the inside running Furious Shot. And trailing is Thunder and Willie. Down the backstretch they go. It's Milton T in front. Leads it by a half a length from Dude About Town in second. Edge of Midnight edging to the outside for Juan Leyva. Moving up a joint third with Bright Face between horses and on the inside Causeway Cowboy. Then it's Rockitude, Furious Shot, and Thunder and Willie. Half mile went in 48 and 4. They leave the backstretch and move on to the far turn. It's Milton T in front by a neck. On the outside, Dude About Town a closer second. Causeway Cowboy all dressed up at the moment. No place to go. Edge of Midnight on the outside. 3 in front of Furious Shot, then Bright Face, and they're at the top of the stretch. With the lead now, Dude About Town. Edge of Midnight comes to him second. Causeway Cowboy put in between horses now third. 2.5 in front of Furious Shot. Edge of Midnight just took the lead. Toward the inside, Dude About Town. Then it's Causeway Cowboy. Furious Shot coming on. Causeway Cowboy trying to catch Edge of Midnight. Furious Shot trying to catch them both. Here's Furious Shot. I think Furious Shot fired the winning shot in the last final strides to catch Edge of Midnight. It's close. They covered the course in 1. And the time we'll have in a moment.